Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the pollen filter on this Mazda CX5. So the location for the pollen filter on this car is behind the glove box. So we push the side of the glove box like this on the left hand side, and then we're going to do the same on the right hand side, just here. There we go. So now we're gonna pull the glove box like this. Right, before we disengage the whole glove box, we're gonna unclip this damper, and now we can pull the whole glove box out. That's the glove box out of the way. So the location for the pollen filter on this car is just here. This is the pollen filter. Okay, it's not looking good. Right, this is our new filter, like for like. So we're just gonna slide this one in. Before we slide it in, I'm just gonna clear the leaves. There we go, friends. Just gonna slide this one in. There we go. That's the new pollen filter in place. Right, now we're gonna there we go. We've lined up the hinges on both sides, here and here, both sides. And before we close the glove box, we're gonna clip in this damper like that. Now that I've clipped in the damper on this side, so I'm gonna close the glove box like that. On this side, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press it in like that. There we go. So that's the glove box back into its original place. That's the pollen filter fitted in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.